After a tarpaulin bearing the message "Run Inday Run" was posted in Cebu, a group of supporters of the Davao mayor led a motorcade in Manila today to urge the presidential daughter to run for the highest post in the country. Patrick De Jesus reports.
This was the appeal of Davao City Mayor Sara Duterte supporters who gathered early this morning hoping the presidential daughter will run in the 2022 elections. The group is from the Alianza ni Inday movement, who believe Mayor Inday Sara is the most qualified to be the next president and should continue the legacy of her father. This despite the mayor herself having said many times she will not run for the top post. Even her father, the president, said he will not allow his daughter to run.
Mahal na Mayora, nananawagan po kami sa inyo. Andito po kami, handa po kaming sumuporta.
The group also had a motorcade along EDSA. They also stopped for a while in front of the People Power Monument and continued their motorcade along Commonwealth Avenue. They clarified this is not an early campaign, but they would just like to encourage Mayor Sara to run in the next election. The organizers said they do not also have any connection with the Duterte family and the mayor does not know them.
Ito po ay bunga ng isang voluntarismo. Wala po itong bayad o hindi po kami naglilikom ng anumang pera. Ito po ay ambag-ambagan lang po talaga. Kanya-kanya po talaga itong pag-aambag.
The Alianza ni Inday Group also clarified they are not supporters of the mayor behind the Run Sara Run tarpaulins that can be seen in certain areas in Metro Manila.
Hindi po namin i-encourage na magkaroon o magsabit ng mga tarpaulins kasi una po makalat na kailangan lang po natin yung boses natin marinig.
In a statement, Mayor Sara Duterte expressed gratitude with her supporters. But she said holding a motorcade is not necessary as it could cause traffic and disturbance with other motorists and may contribute to air pollution. Duterte added, the expenses of the group should be spent instead in helping those in need. The group meanwhile said they will respect if the presidential daughter decides not to run in the 2022 elections and to support the candidate of her choice instead. Patrick De Jesus for The Nation.